Okay, so today we're going to be making a long hair mask, and so it's for growth, damaged hair, and just, nourishes it, makes it smooth and shiny. So you're going to need coconut oil, aloe vera, honey, lemon juice, and anti-frizz conditioner. So the first thing we want to do is put in our 4 tablespoons of coconut oil and our 1 tablespoon of honey. Use a spoon. Out. And then once that is mixed together, we will add our 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And then our 3 tablespoons of aloe vera. And then finally our 3 tablespoons of conditioner.
So any frizz conditioner or anti-frizz conditioner?
Any anti-frizz conditioner. This one's actually from the dollar store. So
this is dollar store. This is actually a good brand, Daily Defense. You can get it at the dollar store at this point in time.
All these ingredients you can get at the Dollar Tree actually. So
all of these can be bought at
and if you want to, whenever it begins to look like this, you can add food dye if you want, or you can keep it natural, as well as essential oils. Helps with the smell because sometimes it doesn't smell the greatest. And then once you're done with that
actually doesn't smell too bad.
Once you're done with that, you can just, after it's all mixed together, you can just use a funnel, but I'm not going to. I'm going to freehand it all into a jar. I'm using the coconut oil jar that we finished off. And then you just put a label on it, and then that's your hair mask.
Awesome. So how do you apply it, and how long?
Then you want to apply it to the very ends of your hair first.
Wet or dry hair?
It can be either one.
Really?
I personally like to do it and then let it sit and then get in the shower and wash my hair out.
Right before you take a shower,
yes.
At least like an hour or
35 minutes.
35 minutes.
That's what you want to do. So you put it on the ends of your hair first, and then don't actually put it on the roots because that would make your hair greasy.
Oh, good point.
Oil. So you can put it imagine if you were doing your a braid in your hair, and then you want to do braid length down.
Okay.
So, but apply it on the ends mostly because that's where you get the split ends and everything.
Right.
And so then you leave it on for 35 minutes, and then you just rinse it out. And when you take a shower, don't use conditioner that first time. Because you've already used the conditioner in the hair mask.
Okay, perfect.
So it's already conditioned.
Perfect. And then can you tell us the ingredients one more time and the amounts?
So you need 1 tablespoon of honey.
Okay.
And 3 tablespoons of aloe vera.
Okay.
1 teaspoon of lemon juice.
Okay.
3 tablespoons of conditioner, and then 3 tablespoons of coconut oil.
And that makes a really good consistency.
Yeah.
So thank you.